Shiva Learning is career guidance portal of India, one-stop destination for everything related to education and career decisions. Our services: career counseling, admission process, study materials, test series and exam update. Our materials, rapid revision materials.
Hello NEET-PG aspirants, you are watching official YouTube channel of Shiva Learning. You all can also visit us on www.shivalearning.in for more detail. So this is the video about NEET-PG counseling. In this video, I'm going to especially focus on the state counseling details, like what are the private colleges in the state and what is the fees structure of each branches, either is clinical or the non-clinical. And also I'm going to focus for the deemed universities also, okay? And what is the marks required, what is the rank required, etc. Okay, so these are the details I'm going to focus in this video, like Madhya Pradesh PG Medical College and this fees structure, Uttar Pradesh and the minority colleges, clinical branches total fee, Rajasthan PG Medical College, Karnataka, okay, Tamil Nadu, etc. So let's start from the basics, okay? So your NEET-PG exams is going to handle on 11 September. आपका जो एग्जाम्स है वो 11 September को होगा, ओके? एंड मोस्टली जो आपके your counseling will start in the month of the October. And these are the basic things like NEET-PG eligibility criteria, admissions process and admit card, etc. Results, types of the counseling in the NEET-PG, these all things you can read at our website, okay? I don't think that it is important to read here. And statistics of the registered candidate for the session 2020, जो 2020 में हमारे सेशन में कितने बच्चे थे रजिस्ट्रेशन CTC किए थे, उसके डिटेल्स हैं. And these are the category cutoff for the session 2020, okay? According to this basis, we can predict that this year also it will go approximately 360 or 370. Okay, and state-wise details of the candidates qualified, okay? These are the state details. State details are very important because if you're going to focus on the state private colleges for the admission, then state details are very important for your counselings, okay? And these are the counseling procedure, how you are going to register, okay? So these all things will be important after your results only, okay? Where you have to register, what are the documents required, etc. These are the details, please read at our websites, okay? And these are the cutoff details for the special branches like MD General Medicine, Pediatric, Radio Diagnostic, General Surgery, Orthopedics and Dermavenerology and Option Gynae, etc. Okay, so these are the counseling procedure, how you can do registration. I'm especially focusing for the deemed university here. You have to visit mcc.nic.in and there you have to do the registration and then pay the fees, etc. Okay, and these are the fees you have to pay. If you are applying for the deemed university, then you have to pay the 2 lakhs for the security deposits, okay? So these are the details: choice filling and seat allotment list reporting to the institute, and these are the documents required at the institute, okay? And let's see now. 50% ऑल इंडिया कोटा NEET-PG कट ऑफ फॉर द 2020 of टॉप मेडिकल कॉलेजेस, ओके? जो हमारे भारत के टॉप मेडिकल कॉलेजेस हैं उनका क्या कट ऑफ रहा है वो आप यहाँ से 19, 18 और 20 के सेशंस का आपको यहाँ से आप चेक कर सकते हैं, ओके? 50% स्टेट कोटा एक्सपेक्टेड कट ऑफ टू गेट द क्लिनिकल ब्रांचेस. अगर आपकी रैंक 6000 to 9000 है, उत्तराखंड से बिलोंग करते हैं, तो मोस्टली चांसेस है कि आपको गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस 50% स्टेट कोटा के थ्रू मिल जाएगा, ओके? सो दीज आर द स्टेट डिटेल्स फॉर द महाराष्ट्र 13 to 18,000, तेलंगाना 11 to 13, केरला 7 to 9,000, कर्नाटका 8,000 to 12,000, उत्तर प्रदेश 14 to 18, आसाम is 16 to 18, आंध्र प्रदेश 15 to 18, बिहार 14 to 16 एंड दिल्ली 11 to 13. अगर आपके इतने रैंक हैं तो भी आप क्लिनिकल ब्रांचेस इजिली आप पा सकते हैं, ओके? गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस में भी आपको क्लिनिकल ब्रांचेस 50% स्टेट कोटा के थ्रू आपको मिल सकता है. यू कैन गेट द क्लिनिकल ब्रांचेस इन द स्टेट विद द 50% स्टेट कोटा इफ यू हैव दिस रैंक आल्सो, ओके? हरियाणा इज आल्सो गिवन 11 to 13, गुजरात 10 to 12. Now let's see the private deemed university fees structure. Now here whatever the fees structure is given here, these are the average fees structure, okay? average fees structure for the clinical branches because the video can go very lengthy if I'm going to tell the fees structure like ENT, anesthesia, psychiatry, general medicine, pediatrics, radiodynamics. Separate branches have the separate fees structure, so these are the average fees structure in the colleges. Okay. Hamdard Institute of Medical Science, the fees is 30 lakhs per annum. MM Institute of Medical Science, Maulana 35. SBKS 24.5 and Kasturba Medical 28, Kasturba Medical Bangalore 28, GSS 28, Jawaharlal Nehru Cali 27, Sri Devaraj URS Medical College 29. Let me tell you that these are the stipend details for your each colleges. Okay. And KS Hegde 28, Anapoya 30, and Siddhartha Medical College 25, BM Patil 29, Amrita School of Medicine 28, Krishna 30, Bharati Vidyapeeth Pune 32, Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College 31, MGM Aurangabad 25, MGM Mumbai 25, DY Patil Pune 30, DY Patil Kolhapur 36, Mahatma Gandhi Medical 14.2, Parvala Institute of Medical Science 27, and some hospital, Institute of Medical Science and some hospital 30.8, and Kalinga 20, Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Medical Science 48, Chettinad to 45, SRM Medical College and Research Center 50. Okay, so these are the 50 lakhs cities for the MD Medicine and MD Radiodiagnostics cities, and Sabita Medical College Hospital 40, Ramachandra 20, Vinayaka Missions 35, Satya Sai 45, Sri Balaji Medical 45, Meenakshi 50, Vinayaka Missions 40, Arupadai 36, Lakshmi Narayan 33, and Satyajit Medical College 31. So these are the average fees structure. आपको there is a separate video, एक separate video बनाया गया है उसमें कि सारे ब्रांचेस के क्या क्या फीस हैं, क्या क्या क्लोजिंग रैंक्स है, उस वीडियो को लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया जाएगा. यू कैन चेक थ्रू दैट ऑल्सो. ओके, उस वीडियो से आप जाएंगे तो आपको पूरा डिटेल्स हर एक ब्रांच का क्लोजिंग रैंक आपको मिल जाएगा. ओके, अगर हम इस डिटेल्स ऑफ द स्टेट प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस, अगर हम स्टेट प्राइवेट कॉलेज की बात करते हैं, लेट अस स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द मध्य प्रदेश. अगर हम मध्य प्रदेश की बात करते हैं, आरडी गाड़ी मेडिकल कॉलेज उज्जैन, जिसमें कि एमडीएमएस क्लिनिकल ब्रांचेस का फीस अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 10 lakhs है और नॉन क्लिनिकल की 7.28 lakhs है. एंड इफ यू टॉकिंग अबाउट द चिराग मेडिकल कॉलेज, देन द क्लिनिकल इज 9.5, और बिंदु 11.55 फॉर द क्लिनिकल, एंड नॉन क्लिनिकल इट इज 5.8. People's Medical College it is 10.75, and for non-clinical it is 7, and Index Medical College Indore, MDMS clinical it is 10.46, and Index Medical College Indore it is for non-clinical for Alan Medical College 10.5, or Alan Medical College Bhopal 11.55. Okay, now let's see for the Uttar Pradesh. If you're talking about Uttar Pradesh, okay, so lower clinical branches, okay, lower clinical branches have the fees of 10 to 12 lakhs per annum. Higher clinical branches having the fees of 14 lakhs per annum. Okay, and let's start from the first college, which is Bharati Medical College. The total fees will go around 40 lakhs. Okay, for all three years for MD Medicine or Pediatrics, means सारे ब्रांचेस के फीस यहाँ पे इक्वल्स हैं. अप्रोक्सीमेटली 14 lakhs पर annum आएगा आपका. तो शुभारती मेडिकल कॉलेज जो है यूपी का लोवेस्ट बजट का कॉलेज है, जो कि आप लोग इजीली ऑप्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड सरस्वती मेडिकल कॉलेज हापुड़ इज टोटल 60 lakhs फॉर ऑल 3 years. SRM बरेली 75 lakhs फॉर ऑल 3 years. शारदा यूनिवर्सिटी 72 lakhs. रोहिलखंड बरेली 67 lakh. रामा मेडिकल कॉलेज 43 lakhs. मुजफ्फरनगर मेडिकल कॉलेज 69 lakhs. एंड नाउ यू हैव Hind Institute of Medical Science Barabanki 73 lakhs, Mayo Institute of Medical Science 43 lakhs, Rashtriya Medical College 43 lakhs, Hind Institute of Medical Science Sitapur 43 lakhs, Heritage Institute of Medical Science Varanasi 43 lakhs, Rama Medical College Hapur 43 lakhs. Okay, these are the data according to the last year. Okay, maybe this year they can increase the fees up to 5% or 10%, or they can decrease the fees up to 5% or 10%, depends on the government decisions. Okay, बट एक आपको एवरेज डेटा है कि या तो 5% ऊपर हो सकता है या तो 5% नीचे हो सकता है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी द माइनॉरिटी कॉलेजेस क्लिनिकल ब्रांचेस टोटल फी. इफ यू टॉकिंग अबाउट द माइनॉरिटी कॉलेज, देन एरा मेडिकल कॉलेज, द टोटल फीस विल गो अराउंड 75 to 95 lakhs or 1 crore. TMU Medical College Muradabad 80 to 95 lakhs. Career Institute of Medical Science 85 lakhs. Integral Institute of Medical Science 85 to 90 lakhs. FS Medical College Agra 90 lakhs. Minority colleges, what are the minority colleges in the Uttar Pradesh? They have very high fees, And if you're talking about the top branches, top clinical branches in the minority college, then your fees will go around 1 year, like 35 lakhs per annum, 34 lakhs per annum, like 36 lakhs per annum for radio diagnostics or MD general medicine etc. बट देर इज नो बैरियर फॉर द मार्क्स. अगर आपका मार्क्स बहुत कम भी होता है तो भी आप इन सब कॉलेज में एडमिशंस ले सकते हैं. ओके, and let's see about the Rajasthan PG medical colleges and the fees structures. Okay, डोमिसाइल स्टूडेंट्स, जो वहाँ के डोमिसाइल स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके लिए फीस आपकी 18 लाख पर एनम होगा. नॉन डोमिसाइल के लिए टोटल फीस आपकी 25 लाख पर एनम होगा. महात्मा गांधी इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंस 55 to 95 lakhs, गीतांजलि 55 to 95, and NIMS जयपुर 55 to 95, and गीतांजलि उदयपुर 55 to 100 lakhs. It means आउटसाइडर के लिए मिनिमम बजट 1 करोड़ चाहिए. इनसाइडर के लिए जो टॉप के क्लिनिकल ब्रांचेस के लिए हैं, सपोज इफ यू आर फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड ऑफ राजस्थान, योर बजट शुड बी मिनिमम ऑफ 1 CR if you want to take admissions in Rajasthan. And if you're the domicile of Rajasthan, your budget is approximately 55-60 lakhs is okay. If you have the rank, approximately 35 to 40k, 45k, 42k etc. Okay. Now let's see about the Karnataka PG Medical College and fees structure. This is the lowest fees structure in India. ये एक ऐसा स्टेट है जिसके पास सबसे लोवेस्ट फीस स्ट्रक्चर होता है, लेकिन इसके लिए रैंकिंग भी ज़्यादा चाहिए. आई मीन यू शुड हैव वेरी गुड मार्क्स. आई मीन आपका रैंक तकरीबन 18,000 हो, 18,000 to 22,000, मैक्सिमम 30,000 हो, मैक्स टू मैक्स 30,000, नहीं तो 15, 16, 17, 18,000. Then you can get the good branches in the Karnataka with the lowest fees structure. Okay, so let's just start from the St. John's Medical College, 30 lakhs, MS Ramaiah 30 lakhs, and now you have KIMS Bangalore 33 lakhs, Vaidai 33 lakhs, B.R. Ambedkar 33, JJM 33, and Basveshwara 33, Saptagiri 33, AJ Institute of Medical Science 43, AJ 43, and now you have Father Muller Institute of Medical Science 33, Madhavappa Rampur 33, S. Nijlingappa also 33. Okay, these are the other colleges like Sri Devi, KVG, SSA, NIMAS, etc. Okay, so these are the colleges with the fees structure for the PG. Okay, only the 2-3 colleges like Adi Chunchandagiri and SDM Dharwad have the very high fees structure, and Khwaja Banda Nawaz also have the very high fees structure. Okay. Now let's see about Tamil Nadu PG medical colleges and fees structure. Okay, so in Tamil Nadu, first one, the Crystal Medical College, the total fee 6.7 lakh, and now you have Karpakam faculty 40 lakh, and Sri Mukambika 40 lakhs, Trichy SRM 42, and Karpaka Vinayaka 42, Dhanlakshmi 42, Chettinadu 42. Okay, so these are the details for the Tamil Nadu. These are the fees structure for all 3 years. And if you're talking about the Maharashtra PG medical college and fees structure, so Maharashtra is a closed state. It means outsider is not allowed. That means outside students cannot take admissions in the private colleges in the Maharashtra. Okay, maybe they can open for the C category in this year, because the last year they have opened for the MBBS for C category. So they can open for C category. It means NRI sheet in the Maharashtra state, but the fees will be very high, approximately 35 to 40 lakhs per annum. Okay. And if you're talking about the management seat, then the Maharashtra is a closed state for the management seat. Okay, so these are the colleges in Maharashtra: Terana, NKP, Salve, KJ Somaiya, SCPM, Vasant Pawar, Maharashtra Medical Science, Punjab Rao, Ullas Patil, Singhar, and Vittal Rao, etc. Okay, with the fees structure is also given here. The fees structure is given, fees structure is given, fees is given. Okay. Now let's see about the Andhra Pradesh PG medical colleges in the fees structure. Okay, so Andhra Pradesh A category. Andhra Pradesh, all the seats are divided into 3 categories. First one is the A category, means state quota reserve seat. B category means the management quota seat, which can be open for all the other states students also. And C category the fees is very high, approximately 24 lakhs per annum, and this can be also open for all other state students. Okay. So for A category, the fees is 50k to 60k. B category fees is 8 lakhs per annum, and C category fees is 24 lakhs per annum in the Andhra Pradesh. Okay. So Andhra Pradesh, let's see about the institute name: NRI Institute of Medical Science, Sangivalsa, and NRI Institute of Medical Science, Chinakani. and Aluri Sitaram, Shantiram, Pinnavani, Great Stone, P.E.S. Narayana, GSL, Katuri, Konsima, and Maharaja. Okay, these are the colleges with the fees structure given. These are the fees structure we have given. This is only for the B category. It means management quota seat, and for this seat, other state students are also eligible. They can apply for the 50% private seat. Okay. Now, let's see for the Kerala. Okay. So in Kerala, the 14 lakhs, approximately the fees is 14.5 lakhs per annum for all clinical branches. Okay. And let's see about the colleges details. What are the colleges there? First one is the Jubilee Mission, Sri Gokulam, Amla, Jizia, Puspagiri, KMCT, Sambarbel, Karuna, Malankara, Travancore, Kannur, MES, Sri Narayana, and Punamuli. So these are the colleges in Kerala. Okay. And the fees is 14 lakhs. 14.5 is fixed for the all clinical branches in Kerala. For non-clinical branches, the fees is approximately 7 to 8 to 9 lakhs per annum. Okay. Now let's see about the Telangana PG medical colleges and fees structure. So in Telangana, there is also A category seat is 50k, approximately 50k to 60k per annum. B category clinical is 16.7 lakhs per annum. C category is 24 lakhs per annum in Telangana. Let me tell you that Telangana is also at open state, so other state students are also eligible to participate in the counselings. Okay, so first one is you have Deccan Medical College. Okay, I mean to say Deccan Medical College. Now you have Kamneni Pratima, Kamneni Institute of Medical Science, Hyderabad, and Kamneni Narketpalli. 50 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 50 lakhs, and SBS Malareddy, Bhaskar, Shodan, and Charmina. Okay. So these are the colleges in Telangana regions. Okay, let's see about the Punjab PG medical colleges and fees structure. So in Punjab we have Dayanand Institute of Medical Science, Christian Medical of Ludhiana, Sri Guru Ramdas, and Gyan Sagar, and Adesh. Okay, these are the colleges. If you are talking about the fees structure, then 15 lakhs, 28 lakhs, 28 lakhs, and Adesh Institute of Medical Science 30 lakhs. Okay. But the Adesh is now increased the fees. So Adesh the fees is 14.5 lakhs per annum now. Okay, and remaining all colleges having the fees approximately 9 lakhs per annum for the PG seats. Okay. Now let's see about the Gujarat PG medical colleges and fees structure. So Gujarat we have SMT, GCS, and Paramukh Swami. AMC, Gujarat, and Shivsha, and the fees structure is given here. For the lower clinical branches, the fees is lower. For higher clinical branches, fees is higher. So, okay. So this is for the Gujarat details. Okay. Now, if you're talking about Uttarakhand details is given. Himalayan Institute of Medical Science and Sri Guru Ram Rai and Sri Guru Ram Rai University there. So these are the colleges there. And if you're talking about the fees structure, then fees is 84 lakhs overall, 73 lakhs, and 73 lakhs. Okay. Now let's see about the Bihar PG medical colleges and fees structure. Okay, so Bihar, the lower clinical branches have the fees of approximately 7 to 10 lakhs per annum. Okay, and higher clinical branches have the fees of approximately 16 to 35 lakhs per annum. So non-clinical branches it means to say that the lower clinical branches. Okay. Here I have written something wrong. Okay, let me tell you clearly. The non-clinical branches having the fees of 7 to 10 lakhs per annum. Okay, higher clinical branches having the fees of 16 to 35 lakhs per annum. It means the lower clinical branches like ENT, anesthesia, etc., your fees will vary from like 14, 13, 12 per annum. And for high clinical branches like radio diagnosis, derma, etc., the fees will go 30 to 35 lakhs per annum. So let's see about the colleges details. Narayan Medical College, Mata Gujari, and the Katiyar Medical College fees details are given here for the clinical and non-clinical branches. Okay. And if you're talking about this rank, okay, no problems. If your rank is approximately 50, 60, 70, 80, up to 80,000, you can get the clinical branches like radio, derma, etc. in Bihar, but your fees will be like 35 lakhs per annum, 32 lakhs per annum. This type of fees only. Okay. Rank doesn't matter for the private colleges, okay, which have the higher fees. but the fees, you have to pay the higher fees. Okay. Haryana PG Medical College. If we're talking about the Haryana, then we have SGT Medical College, Sri Guru Gobind Singh, Maharaja Agreshan, Marci Markandur, and others medical college, and fees details are given there. Odisha PG Medical College and fees structure. High-Tech Medical Colleges is there. The fees is 39 lakhs. West Bengal NEET PG counseling. There is only one college at this time, which is KPC Medical College, and fees is 16 plus lakhs per annum for the clinical branches. Okay. Other colleges is also there. Maybe they will get clinical branches or non-clinical branches for the PG set for this year. Okay. But still now they have only KPC Medical College in the West Bengal, and the fees is 16 per annum. Okay. Now let's see about the Puducherry NEET PG counseling. If you're talking about the state quota fees, it is 8 lakhs per annum for all the branches, either it's Radioderma or any branches. The fees is 8 lakhs per annum only. If you're talking about the outsider students, the fees is 22.7 lakhs per annum. So other state students can also apply in this state, but your fees will be very high in the respect of the state quota students. Okay. So if you're talking about the colleges details, then we have Queen's Pondicherry, Sri Manakula, and Sri Venkateswara. Okay. These are the colleges there. Himachal Pradesh NEET PG counseling. If you're talking about the Himachal Pradesh, then we have MMU Sholan. The fees is 20 to 35 lakhs per annum for lower to higher clinical branches. For lower clinical branches like ENT, anesthesia, psychiatry, etc., the fees is approximately 21-22 lakhs per annum. And for the higher clinical branches, the fees is like Radioderma, the fees is 35 lakhs per annum for MMU Sholan in Himachal Pradesh. Okay. And these are the list of the colleges in Rajasthan. Total list of the all the list of the medical colleges in Rajasthan. So, okay, you can read at our website, including governments and the private colleges. List of medical colleges in Andhra Pradesh, including government and private. List of medical colleges in Karnataka, including government and private. And now you have colleges in Tamil Nadu, including all colleges, government, private, and deemed university. And list of medical colleges in Punjab. Details are given there. List of medical colleges in Maharashtra. All the college details are given there. Okay, and now you have list of colleges in Uttar Pradesh, and the list of medical colleges in Telangana, list of medical colleges in Madhya Pradesh, list of medical colleges in Kerala, list of medical colleges in Delhi, list of medical colleges in Odisha, list of medical colleges in West Bengal, list of medical colleges in Gujarat, list of medical colleges in Chhattisgarh, list of medical colleges in Bihar. Now we have list of medical colleges in Haryana. Okay. So these are the total list of the colleges in each state, including the governments and private also. Okay. So if you want to check the list of the colleges, you can check here, and if you want to check the private colleges with the fees structure, then you can check the here, which I already explained. Now the most important thing, if you have the rank of approximately 35k, 40k, 45k, 55k, 60k, 65k, then there is no worry. You can get the private colleges with the fees of 15 to 20 lakhs per annum. But don't think that you can get the Radioderma, medicine, or pediatrics with that rank, with that budget. But if you're talking about the ENT, anesthesia, psychiatry, etc., then 15 lakhs per annum with the rank of 60k, 55k, 50k is enough. You can get easily. Okay. For any doubt, and if you have any doubt about the counseling etc., you can call us or you can WhatsApp at our number. Sure, I will try to help you as soon as possible. Okay. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.